Hey, what's up everyone? Guten Tag. Was ist los, Jada? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today we're going retro. What do I mean retro? Because we will be building and unboxing a model kit which came from the anime or Gundam anime series 8 MS team. So this is one of my favorite series in the Gundam franchise because the setting is really realistic. So there's a real combat event happening in the anime, and there are fewer flying fights, something like that. So let's check this build here. We have the Gundam RX-79 ground type, and this is the first model kit or mobile suit that is being piloted by Shiro Amada before he piloted the Easy 8, and also the rest of his team piloted this kind of Gundam mod. So let's check this kit out and let's see what's inside. Those kits, ang enviran. So everything is set up. The box art here shows the Gundam RX-79 ground type wielding his artillery cannon, and together with his body at the side, same model also. So this kind of box art is really common during the early 90s or late 90s. To be honest, this kit is released during the year 2000. So you can see here Bandai 2000, and still the Bandai logo here is the red logo, which means it is the old releases. If it happens that this is a blue logo, meaning these are the it should be the latest. Okay, so this is a master grade, and it's piloted by Shiro Amada, the one also who piloted the Easy 8. Before he piloted that Easy 8, he's one of the pilot of this model kit because he's the captain, I think, or the commander of their group. So the box, side of the box, you can see here the gimmicks. So we have the artillery cannon here, where the shield can act as its stand while the model kit is crouching. Then there's this backpack where you can disassemble the artillery cannon, and you can put the unassembled parts inside, just like you can see there. So this is the container, the backpack container, and then the markings where you can apply the EFSF 081, and these are the accessories. So it has a beam saber, artillery cannon, machine gun, submachine gun, and to be honest, in the anime I never saw a beam rifle there, but for this model they include this beam rifle. And there's these magazines for the submachine guns, and the shield where we can see the 08 numbering there because they are the 8 MS team. So the other side, you can see the front view, the rear view, and there you can see the cockpit where Shiro Amada is sitting. We got hands, open hands, trigger finger hands, and closed fist. And the inner frame, the classic inner frame during 90s. And I think there are screws for this kit because it is rampant during those years that some parts, especially the joints, are being screwed here. So the inner frame looks very simple, as you can see here. It's an easy build, to be honest. So if we open the box here, we can see this classic poster box. I really like the designs before, or the arrangement of the early or late 90s kits or early 2000 kits, where there is this kind of poster box inside or included in the kit. Okay, and we got the instruction manual. So the instruction manual here shows the EFSF sign, or Earth's Federation Space Force sign, and there the side view of the head of RX-79 ground type. Then we got this Japanese explanations, but unfortunately I cannot read it. And there's the parts list, so it's not that much. It's a quick build if I'm going to assess it. It's very easy. So there we can see some screws being attached or applied on the joints, the elbow joints. There we got also on the shoulders. To be honest, this is what I like, or I'm looking for an instruction manual where you can see some explanation on the parts of the mobile suit. But of course this is Japanese, I cannot understand, but I may appreciate it if there is an English translation for this writings. There's so easy, to be honest. And then we can see some depiction from the anime where they are in the jungle. They're hunting Zakus in the jungle. This is very nice. The container gimmick is very nice here, where you can disassemble the artillery cannon and then put inside and then assemble it to make it like this, and to be used in the combat. There you can see picture saying from what we saw in the box art, the side of the box. Okay, nothing much here. It's all black and white. I'm just fascinated on how manuals are printed during 2000. Because in 2000, I was just a non-grade collector that time. I cannot afford buying master grade because I was just a kid during those years. I'm an elementary student. So my grandma used to buy me no grade kits. So let's go to the packs here. We got white parts here for the container box, gray parts for the guns. Got multicolored runner here for the torso, V-fins, vents, white parts, red parts, and clear parts here. We got polycaps here, so much polycaps, and we got screws, decent amount. So this is not too much, unlike the God Gundam lines, where the Master Gundam and the God Gundam has so many screws to be applied, but in the end their posing capabilities are still bullshit or crappy. And there we got white parts here. We got gray parts for the hands. So these are the open hands, closed fist, and there we got the thumbs there. So this is for the torso and backpack parts. And we got white parts here for armor pieces, pink parts, clear pink parts for the lightsaber or beam saber, and there we got gray parts for the inner frame. Then finally we got some gray parts again for the inner frames, and there we got the artillery cannon parts, I presume. The old scent of plastic is so nice. Smells 2000. Smells 24 years ago. Brings back memories, to be honest. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. And to be honest, the scent of this plastic is very nice. The scent is different from how the new models smell like, because this is really the scent of the late 90s and the early 2000s. So I remember those times when I still build the non-grade. Smells like a non-grade kit, to be honest, and I like it. So let's go here in this runner here, multicolored runner, which is runner E, and these are for the torso, which is blue, and there's red, white, yellow, and we got this small runner here for the eyes, the visor. This is runner K. Then we got Beam Saber effect parts. This is the pink color one, clear pink. We got this white parts here, where we can see Shiro Amada there, and standing Shiro Amada, and the sitting Shiro Amada. And we got this runner A here. I'm very fascinated with these small pieces here, where you can apply this as a design. I don't know how to apply this. Maybe I will not try it, because I might get mistake while applying. Anyway, I'm just curious. And this is the gray runner for the inner frame. These are gray runners. Gray runner also for the machine gun and beam rifle. This white parts here for the refrigerator. I call it the refrigerator, the fridge. No, this is the backpack container. We got gray parts for the hands, open, close, and the thumb there for the articulated useless fingers. And we got this runner C for the red colored feet parts. Got this black runners for the backpack. This is runner I. Got polycaps, tons of polycaps. We got white runner here, runner G for armor pieces, the shield, the legs. Then we got gray parts here for the artillery cannon. So this is runner J. This is runner J. Then finally we got this big chunky runner here for the hands and leg inner frame, thigh, and hips inner frame, which is runner B. So to be honest, this kit has the similar runner for the Easy 8 also, and also the ground type GM. So they have the similar runners using. As you can see here, we got this MG RX-79 ground type, the Easy 8, and the RGM-79. So they share the same runners here. So they're almost the same, only the color and the head appearance. And let's not forget, we have foil stickers here and transfer decals here. I think this water slide decals, and I don't know this other one here. where we can see the numbers. I don't like to open it yet. And we got these screws where you can apply this to the joints, but I'll not apply this screw as much as possible because I like the model to be in pure plastic form. So again, thank you very much for watching this unboxing of the retro Gundams in the year 2000, which is the Gundam RX-79 ground type. So this Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying thank you very much for watching this unboxing. Goodbye, God bless and take care. Auf Wiedersehen, mga salama, paalam sa inyong lahat.